guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look. It's a very simple everyday makeup tutorial that you can use for pretty much anything. And I'm also going to be showing you guys new stuff at the drugstore that I tried out for the first time. And you'll see my opinions on them and what I felt worked and what didn't. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. So I got this NYX Epic Ink Liner. It's in the color black just because I've been wanting to try a new one. The other one I had dried out. And it looks pretty nice. Has like a really fine point. I love it because I needed something that I could make a smaller and thinner line for my eyeliner. And I also got some eyelashes. These are the Kiss Lash Couture Mink Collection Black Little Dress eyelashes. They're pretty short, but I like them because since I wear glasses, they don't hit the lens, and that really bugs me, and I can't find any that really do. So these are the only ones I really use. I needed some of those. And then I just got two other eyeliners. These are Essence. They are the Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil. They're both waterproof. I got black and silky nude. And then I also finally got the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer that everyone has been comparing to the, you can't even see it, to the Tarte Shape Tape.
Oh my god, can you seriously not see that?
You can't see any of the writing, but it's the Makeup Revolution Concealer. And it looks so chubby, and when you take it out, the applicator's really chubby too, just like the Tarte Shape Tape. So hopefully I like it. It looks pretty good. This Sonia Kashuk Makeup Blender. Yeah, that's what it's called. I didn't expect it to be this big. Like, it's probably the size of one of my cheeks. Oh my god, that's crazy. But I really liked the print on it. I thought that was really pretty, and it feels extremely soft to the touch, so hopefully it applies foundation really nice. I'm going to be using a couple of the things that I actually picked up, so hopefully you guys enjoy. Let's get started. So first I'm going to start off with my moisturizer. This is the No. 7 Early Defense Day Cream. Now I'm going to be using my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. This is my favorite primer just because it blurs out my pores and it makes my skin so soft for foundation. So I'm just going to get a really small amount, super duper small. And I'm just going to rub this in between my fingertips and put the most on my pores right here, a little on my nose, on my forehead, and just rub the extra all over my face.
And I'm so sorry if my nose piercing comes out. Oh my god, that's so annoying.
For foundation, I'm going to be using my favorite, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the color 110. So I poured some in the back of my hand. And then what I do is I take my Sonia Kashuk Soft Focus Satin Matte Foundation in the color 01 Bisque. And I just add like 2 small dots of this just because the other one's a little too light for me. But this one's like way too dark, so I just add a little bit to make it my exact skin color. And then I just rub it in on my palm. And make sure I rub in both foundations, and then I'm just gonna dot it all over my face. Just like that, and a little bit down my neck. And then I'm gonna be using the Sonia Kashuk sponge and rub this in. Feels really soft. Why do I look so white? It feels really soft. I'm gonna use this sponge on half of my face, and then on the other half I'm gonna use the sponge I usually use, the Real Techniques. Let me go get that real quick. Got the sponge that I usually use for my foundation to compare it to that one, and I used the Real Techniques one. So I'm gonna rub this in. Now I'm gonna use this one again on my forehead. This side is the Sonia Kashuk side, and this side is the Eco Tools one. I don't know which one I like better. I kind of like, surprisingly, I kind of like the Sonia Kashuk one better. I feel like it doesn't look as cakey, it looks more natural. So I definitely feel like this beauty blender is worth a try, to be honest. Even though it gets really big, it actually works really well. So now I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer. Again, for the concealer, I'm going to be using the Sonia Kashuk one on this side and the Eco Tools on this side, just so I can compare that as well. Honestly, this doesn't feel bad under the eyes. I thought since it was a little bigger, it would feel kind of uncomfortable, but it feels pretty good. Oh my god, that is amazing. It looks so smooth, yet it still covered my dark circles. Like, what the heck? Okay, now let me try using this one, the Eco Tools for this side. Oh my god. This concealer is freaking amazing. What the heck? Oh my god, just look at that. How soft it looks. Kind of feel like the Eco Tools gave me a little bit more coverage on this area right there, kind of where my dark circles are. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I definitely feel like this one gave me a little bit more coverage. So since that it did give me a little more coverage, I'm gonna use this to blend the rest of my concealer. So now what I'm gonna be doing is baking my face with the Airspun powder. This one is in the color Translucent. I know there's a translucent extra coverage and a translucent, so I use the translucent. So I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit, and I'm gonna use same sponges for each eye again. Okay, so that really blended out nice. Now I'm gonna use the Eco Tools on this side. One thing I did notice is that the Eco Tools packed on a lot more powder. This side feels a little bit more heavy than this side, but they look almost the same. So I'm going to be using that same Airspun powder with my e.l.f. pointed powder brush to set my whole face. Now I'm going to take my Profusion contour makeup case, and I'm going to use the shade Light Contour right here to contour my cheeks. And I'm going to be using this e.l.f. blush brush for that. Now I'm going to be bronzing my face with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to be using the 103 brush. Now I'm going to use my Milani Baked Powder Blush in the color Luminoso. For highlight, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Moonlight pearls, and I'm going to be using my Royal and Langnickel highlight and glow brush. And whenever I'm just getting ready like for work or school and I just want to add something on my eyes just so they pop a little and I don't want to do a very dramatic look, I just grab my bronzer and add a little to a brush and just add it on my crease. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the color Silk Nude and put this on my waterline. I'm going to be setting my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray, which I'm almost out of. I'm gonna add some mascara, and this is my favorite mascara, the Rimmel Volume Lash Scandel Eyes Mascara.
It has a really thick applicator, which at first I was like, oh my god, this is gonna clump my eyelashes so much, but surprisingly it doesn't.
Enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to leave in the comment section different videos you guys would like to see so I can definitely make those. Bye.
The struggle of having glasses and not being able to see yourself without them. Okay, I really need to go to my orientation. Let me clean up everything.